All right, now let's go again.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go. Actually, you can go all the way.
That was so fun.
You can go all the way. You want to do it again? No? Okay. What's the next thing?
All right,
Yeah.
hey, next thing, I'm gonna jump off the second story. You guys want to see me jump off the second story?
Yes.
You want to get up there? I'm pausing you.
Jordan probably thinks I'm fat and slow, but I'm actually buying us more time.
Alex, let's see. Go, Alex.
Hey, you guys should try that.
I think we should go into the next room.
No, there's a slide to try.
It's a little kiddie for her, I think.
Yeah.
It's kind of a little young.
Yeah, I think we should go to the next room. Let's go, Dad.
Yeah,
Oh.
okay.
Wait, I thought we were playing dodgeball.
Yeah, we have
2 on 2 dodgeball. 2 on 2 dodgeball.
Have it really quick.
Oh,
Oh, okay. Dodgeball was fun and all, but okay.
Now let's go, Dad. You're fine.
Yeah.
basketball.
I'm gonna do that on my way out. Woo! All right, see ya.
Before you leave, just make sure you have everything. Make sure you have your phone,
Yeah,
your keys, your wallet.
I checked my pockets before.
Wait, I actually had it on my phone. Wait.
Dad, you probably took it out.
No, I didn't. I had it on it.
We should all look for Jordan's phone. We should.
Where would my phone be?
Are you good? You good? Yeah, here, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah, here, I got you.
What happened to my phone?
The timer's still on, right?
Yeah, but
Let's all look for the phone.
are you kidding?
That's not cheating. Wait a second. That's technically cheating.
Fun though, right? We're having fun looking
No,
for
this
the phone.
is fun. I lost my phone in a billion packing peanuts. He probably dropped it.
That's not a coincidence. Alex is cheating. Wait, no, he stole it.
Phone is heavier than packing peanuts, so if I scrape along the bottom with my bare feet, I'll feel it. All right, Salish should obviously not help me today.
Yeah, Dad, I don't really care. Come on,
Salish,
just buy your
come on,
phone.
help me with my phone.
I don't care.
Wait, Jordan, what are you doing?
Dad?
Where's the phone?
I swallowed a packing peanut. That was gross, but I found my phone. Timer stops now.
There's only one room left before Jordan and Salish decide the winning team.
Okay, don't keep your eyes closed. Okay. Welcome to my room. It's filled with flowers. For you. Right this way.
Whoa! Wait a minute. Are you kidding me right now?
Wait,
Wait.
what's that? No, I was vegetarian.
So this is my plate, actually. Who ordered this? Special guests, you can come out, please.
Hi, I'm here to entertain y'all. Is this like a date or something?
No, it's not a date.
It's not a date. Hey Jordan, why don't you help me out while we're doing this magic for this date?
Oh my God, bro.
Say stop at any point in time.
Stop.
Right there?
Uh-huh.
All right, memorize the card for me. You got it? Ready? Watch closely. Look, all I have to do is take it. It's not my fingers. Go pull right here.
Oh.
One card over your card. The Queen of Hearts, is that it? And you know what? I'll do one last trick, just because you know we have a lovely couple here. They're a couple, right?
No.
Yes, no. Oh, okay. Kid, could you actually help me with this?
Mm-hmm. Of course.
I want you to think of someone that's like, I don't know, super important and special in your life. Okay?
Okay.
I don't like the way this is going.
Really someone special, you admire them, you know, you just really like their presence, you know?
that's
Okay.
cute.
This doesn't mean much to you, does it?
No.
No, it's just a bunch of scribbles, right?
Yeah.
If I actually just take it 3, 2, 1, and snap, I have to change it to. Wait,
Whoa.
is that you? Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good work, Sean. Hey, Sean.
So, Kato, what are we doing?
Wait, you don't like the food?
No.
Okay. What about a cheese pizza?
I'll eat a cheese pizza.
One large cheese pizza coming right up. You got the pizza?
Bro, you ate some of the slices.
I got hungry. All right, let's go. Time is up.
Wait, what was the time?
You'll find out later.
Salish, I'll just call you later tonight, alright?
No, you won't. That's fine. And now it is time to figure out who is the winner.
And which team gets to expand their room to fill the entire house?
Number 4. I don't really know what these people were thinking, but the worst time goes to the red team. It made no sense. You want to stay in the room as long as possible, so you fill it with snakes?
I thought she liked snakes.
Who does that? Why would you think she likes snakes?
This is Salish.
Next, the team with the second worst time. And again, actually, I'm very surprised about this one. I would have thought this had a strong potential to win. The team is the blue team.
What?
1 trampoline, 10 trampolines, same thing. Woo! And then it's over. Secret room could have been cool, but there's nothing good in it.
You can't do that. I'm the main character. Get out.
Are we ready to hear who the final winning team is between green and yellow? I have to tell you, the times were very close. It was almost exactly the same.
Oh my gosh, Dad, just say it.
Separated by only 5 seconds, the winning team is
Wait. Jordan,
Yeah.
you look extra good today.
I do?
Yes.
Your time's already done. You don't have to compliment me. And the winning team is the green team.
We're gonna turn this entire house into bag of peanuts.
My surprise is my brand new skincare line at Sephora called Sincerely Yours. Hey, my skincare!
This is so nice. I'm so glad we didn't film